how to use a form builder on Wix. So if you're looking for Wix builder or form builder template, you can just go directly to wix.com/tools/form creator instead of going to your account. So here you can see this one, your professional online form builder. Easily create and publish professional online forms with an all-in-one form builder fit for every need. So if you want to basically create something like this, for example, like job application, apply now. If you want to create a form like order form, if you want to create like a job form or connect with us or contact us form, then basically Wix is the one for you. So you can just basically scroll down here to see more information about the forms. And if you want to start, then you can just go and then tap this explore form templates. So as you can see, choose a template and customize it to fit your needs. You can filter by all templates, or you can just basically go to contact forms or application form. Everything is up to you. So this time, let's look for contact forms. We will be creating a form here. And specifically, you can or we can create something like contact forms. So here, as you can see, this time, we will use job application. Tap this one. So it will show you some samples of for job application form here. For example, this one. All you have to do here is to change the company logo, change the content or features inside. You can change the information if you want to remove a first name or last name, so on. If you want to view the template and if you're not sure if you want to try this one, you can tap view template. But if you're sure that you're going to use this, you can tap this edit template right here. And basically you can scroll down and look for other option. Okay, so job application form 2. Here is another form. Okay, so there are also form design tips in case that you're a first timer or beginner. So as you can see, make forms short and simple, arrange your questions by importance, use placeholder text and field titles, reduce the number of mandatory fields, include the CAPTCHA in your forms, and so on. So once you're okay with this, then what you're going to do is you have to select the template that you want to use for your form website. Okay, so let's tap this one right here, tap edit template. Now here it is. So basically this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can enhance your AI content and you can ask a help from AI. You can also change the name of your site, but actually this one is optional. You can tap X. If you think that this one is too small, you can just zoom into 100. But if you think that it's too large, then you can just simply change this to 50%. Okay, so on the right side, you can see here elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. And what you're going to do here if you want to change something inside this form is just basically tap this. You can double click to be exact. So let's just start with your company logo. If you think that this one is unnecessary, you can just basically delete this one. If you want to change the name, for example, the name of your company, let's just say uh, the rail company. Okay, so you can just basically change the name, change the logo, okay, change a basic shape, or if you want to change the logo right here, you just have to upload media and change the logo. If you want to use from any of their pictures right here, example, if you want to get from media, okay, or Wix, then you can just basically look for that. But I strongly suggest to use Canva if you're a beginner. You can use Canva to create company logo. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just look for something here and then add to page in case that, or let's just say you have uploaded this. Okay, now you can large, okay, you can just make it bigger, your company. And then for the company name, you can also make it like bigger. And the good thing about this Wix is that you can just move it anywhere you want. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so if you want to edit the text, tap this one right here, change the paragraph into heading. Okay, the font, if you want to change the font, if you want to change the size or enlarge this one, bold, italic, and so on. Add effects, everything is up to you. Character, line spacing, and so on. Okay, so if you don't want to add something here, for example, this one is not necessary, you can just basically delete this one, or if you want to duplicate, so you can duplicate this one, but I'm going to delete this because I think this one is unnecessary. I'm going to make it like something like this. And let's just say I want to change this to job application form. And then basically you can again change the font style, font text, by tapping this edit text right here, and then change the font size, the color if you want, the heading, the font, and also some effects right here. Okay, so here if you want to, edit this one again, you can edit this by tapping edit field. You can change the text if you want, or if you want to change this as password, number, email, URL, phone number, everything is up to you. If you want to change the field title, everything is up to you, but you just have to simply go and tap this edit field. Okay, so for me, I think this one is okay. For example, if you want to change or, edit the field. Okay, so for example, you want to change this to, okay, zip code, something like that. Okay, and then, of course, they will add their zip or postal code right here. Okay, and then change this, something like that. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to add something like elements, for example, image, button, strip, and so on, you can just basically add something right here. But I think for me, for contact or forms, I think some images or some elements here are not really that necessary. If you want to go to pages and menu, or if you want to add some section, you can just basically add here. For example, let's just add something like contact. And you want to add this kind of layout, or let's say this one right here. Okay, it will be added below. Okay, and so on if you want to add more. For pages and menu, you can just go here, and then if you want to edit something, just go to type at pages and menu. If you want to change the theme or site design, you can go to this part. Also, for adding some applications, you can go to Wix App Market. And then here, if you want to, add form or manage a submission, if you want to change something or add something for your payment method. And also this one right here, if you want to add your social media accounts, you just have to go to this part and so on. If you want to add something here, you can just basically drag that element or that section right here. And again, you can just basically change everything, edit. And then once you're done, then what you're going to do is you just have to simply publish this one, or you can tap preview before you publish. But basically, this is how easy it is to create a form using Wix. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.